Nature is a carbon neutral airline because of a program which basically what we do is we measure 100% of the fuel that we consume on an annual basis. We then, based on an equation that is accepted by the Kyoto Protocol, we can easily find out how much tons of carbon dioxide we emitted by consuming that fuel. And through FONAFIFA, which is a forestry financing part of our environmental protection agency here in Costa Rica, we work with privately held land with those owners in order to conserve their property so that they don't have to cut down the trees. And those trees roughly are holding the same amount of carbon dioxide that we're emitting. So basically what we're doing is fixing the amount of carbon that we emit by ensuring that forests that contain that same amount of carbon are not cut down.
Nature is protecting the buffer zone of the Corcovado National Park, which is in Osa Peninsula, and is termed by the National Geographic as the hottest biodiversity zone in the world.
Nature Kids is a nonprofit foundation here in Costa Rica and dedicated to teaching low-income communities viable and affordable English education, computer, and environmental education.
Es muy importante para que los chiquitos aprendan inglés y así podamos aprender con las computadoras porque hay muchos que no saben y también porque es muy importante porque es casi lo único inglés que hay aquí y así todos pueden aprender inglés hasta los adultos.
Nature Kids started in Salitral, Santana, which is in San Jose, and now we have a school here in Drake Bay. We also have 2 additional programs. We have an English on Horseback program where we send teachers out to remote villages throughout Costa Rica. And we also are working with the Corcovado Foundation to teach a group of 16 English, and then they're being trained to become turtle guides.
A mí Nature Kids me gusta mucho porque vine desde el primer día y gracias a Nature Kids he aprendido a superarme mucho en inglés y gracias a él llevo una de las mejores notas en inglés en el colegio.
Porque manejando sí puede llegar volando en tan solo minutos con Nature Air, donde 2 son mejor que 1.